feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason if they wanna go.
Hello, I'm Zack with Progressive Mobility and Medical in Washington, PA, and today we are going to be talking about the Golden Literider. This scooter has a 300-pound weight capacity. It's a little bit longer than a smaller scooter, which is beneficial for an individual with longer legs. It does have two baskets, one below the seat for extra storage. It has a light in the front right here. It's adjustable for darker environments. And this is how you take it apart. The first thing you want to do is fold the backrest down, grab the seat by both sides and just pull straight up. The next, unclip the magnetic basket. You can remove the front basket. And then you want to adjust the tiller. Loosen it up, fold it down to about parallel, tighten it up, and then there's a lock right here that just keeps it locked in place. The next thing, you want to pull out the battery, and then there is a safety release in the back of the scooter. You just pull up on it and the whole scooter unclips. Close up on the release clip, you just want to pull up on it and that's it.